Hello dear children, I hope you all are fine and keeping well. So today in English class we shall learn how to write notice and email. Yes, we will solve the notice and email given in practice paper number 2 in class 9th total English. So for this you can take out page number 45. So on page number 45 there practice paper number 2 is given. So you can see question number 3A and B, notice and email. So at first I'll teach you how to write a notice, okay, and then there will be no scope for losing marks in your exam. So the first question given is, please open page number 46. There question number 3A and B are given. Please see that. The Literary Association of your school is organizing a poetry recitation competition. Write a notice to be put up in your school inviting students of classes 8 to 10 to register their names for the competition to be held on the occasion of Children's Day in your school. Okay, so what is given in this question? That there is Children's Day competition, and on the occasion of Children's Day in the school what is to be held? Poetry recitation competition is going to take place. So regarding that you have to write a notice in which you have to invite the students of class 8th and 8 to 10 to take part in the competition. Okay, that is they can come and register their names to the teacher. So you have to write. So let's begin how to write notice. Okay, so in this I have told you how you have to begin notice. Notice you have to begin by giving an attractive title to it. Okay, so you have to give an attractive title to your notice in the first line first. So what title you can give to is, as it is poetry recitation competition, so you can give name to it like verses via verses, or you can give verses. So like this you can give verses. Okay, now what is the meaning of verses? Verses means poems. Okay, so poems versus poems. So that attractive title we have given as it is poetry competition. And then you can leave a line and then you have to write the name of the competition. So which competition is given? So it is a poetry recitation competition. So you can write here poetry recitation competition. Okay, you have to remember that this you have to write at the center of the line. Okay, verses and then poetry recitation competition, and then you have to write date. Okay, on which date this competition is going to take place. So as it is given that it's Children's Day. So Children's Day we know that it is celebrated on 14th November every year. So you can write on 14th November. Now you have to keep in mind whenever you write month, so month should be written in full spelling. Okay, 14th November 2021. And then you have to give timing. That is, what will be the timing? So you can write from 9 AM to 1 PM. Whatever suitable timing is there, so that we have to write. Okay, so it will be from 9 AM to 1 PM. And then after this, what you have to write? You have to give menu. Okay, that is, what is the venue of this competition? So venue where it will take place? At Down Hall or any other hall whichever is there in the school, you can give any name. So Town Hall St. Mary's School, or you can write name of any of the schools. Okay, so these are the main points we have included in our notice. So what is there? Let me read out. We have given an enticing title, attractive title, that is verses, and then name of the competition, and it is poetry recitation competition. Then date you have to mention, so on 14th November 2021, and then timing you have to give, so from 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. and then you have to write place and venue, that is at Town Hall St. Mary's School. Okay, and then what is given in your question, that you have to invite the students from class 8 to 10 to register their names to the consulting teachers. So what you can write there, that the students, now after this you can leave one line and you can continue from the left hand side of this line. So you can write the students from class 8 to 10 are invited to register their name to Ma'am Ankita. Okay, that is the students from class 8 to 10 are invited to register their names to Ma'am Ankita on or before 8 November 2021. Okay, so you have to write here on or before, that is date you have to mention up to when they can give their name. So it is on or before 8th of November 2021. Then after this you have to write, leaving a line, that for further details contact the literary in charge, Sir Nitesh. Okay, so here we have completed our notice writing. Once again I will read out. We have given attractive title to it, that is verses, and then poetry recitation competition, that is the name of the competition that is going to take place on 14th November 2021, as it is given that we are going to celebrate Children's Day. Then from 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. then at Town Hall St. Mary's School, place and venue we have to mention. Then leaving a line, you can write the students from class 8 to 10 are invited to register their names to Ma'am Ankita on or before 8 November 2021, and for further details contact literary in charge Sir Nitesh. Okay, I hope you have learned how to write notice writing. Okay, now we will learn how to write email, that is B part of this question. Now we start our email writing. Okay, so question given is, write an email to the principal of a neighboring school requesting him or her to send 2 senior teachers of his or her school to judge the poetry recitation competition. Okay, so in this email, to whom you have to send this email, first point, that you have to send this email to the principal of the neighboring school. Okay, and then what you have to request him or her, you have to request him or her to send 2 senior teachers from his or her school to judge the poetry recitation competition. Okay, so let's begin our email. Let's start learning the email, that how to write an appropriate email. Okay, so in the earlier videos, I have already taught you that what is the correct format of email. So now let's implement the same format. Okay, so in this I have taught you that the first thing that you have to keep in mind is you have to write the email address of the receiver. Okay, that is the person to whom you have to send this email. So here you have to send this email to the principal of the neighboring school. So here we will write email. So here how we can begin? We can write principal and then any name we can give of school, like we can give Sunbeam, principal Sunbeam at gmail.com. Okay, so this we have written email address, principal Sunbeam at gmail.com, and then we have to leave one line and we have to write subject. Okay, so what is the subject of this email? So here it is related to poetry recitation competition. So say we can write in subject poetry recitation competition. Okay, the name of the competition only we have written in subject, poetry recitation competition. Okay, and then in our next step we have to write the salutation. Salutation means dear. Now here you can write dear sir also or dear madam, any one you can write, because in your question it is given write the email to the principal of the neighboring school. So there his or her is given, so you can write any one. Dear sir, we take dear sir and put one comma. Okay, now these you have to keep in mind. This line is of half marks, another step is also of half marks, and it also carries half marks. Okay, now we will start writing the body part of the email. So here you have to remember that whatever important information we have given in the notice, okay, whatever important information we have given in the notice in our first half, like name of the competition, timing, date, and then also your place and venue. So all the things should come here in the same sequence as you have written in the notice. So in our notice what we have written? Name of the competition, and then we have written date, on which date this competition is going to take place, and then timing, and then place and venue. So same you have to mention here as well. You have to begin from here itself. So you can write it as that our school is organizing, poetry recitation competition for classes 8 to 10. Okay, our school is organizing poetry recitation competition for classes 8 to 10 on 14 November. Now here also you have to write full spelling of November. So on 14 November 2021, from timing we have given 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. So 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. at Down Hall, then put one comma, St. Mary's School. Okay, so we have given all the information that was related to competition, that we have also written in the notice writing. Same we have given in the first paragraph of this email. Okay, now after this you have to end this para and change the paragraph. And what you have to write, as it is given in the question, that you have to request the principal of the neighboring school. So how to request? So you can write here that we request you to send to senior teachers from your school to judge the competition. Okay, so in this you have made a request with the neighboring school principal that we request you to send two senior teachers from your school to judge the competition. And one more thing here you can add, that it is Children's Day, so you can mention Children's Day here, that our school is organizing poetry recitation competition on Children's Day. Okay, for classes 8 to 10 on 14 November. So you can write poetry recitation competition on Children's Day. Here you can write for classes 8 to 10 on 14 November. And then after this what you have to write, that is you have to write, leaving a line, you can write that we will wait for your positive reply. Okay, this line is very important, children, that we will wait for your positive reply or your positive response. Okay, with this we have finished the body part and all the information, important information related to the competition we have given. Okay, and then after leaving the line you can write thanking you and write the subscription. Subscription means yours faithfully. Okay, yours faithfully, and write the name. So here you can write Mitesh Rawal, and who are you? You have to write designation also. Designation means your post. So as it is poetry recitation competition, so you can write the literary Y in charge. Okay, I hope it is clear, children. Once again, I will read out for you that first we have to write receiver's email address. So principal sanbeen@gmail.com. Then you have to write the subject. Leaving a line, you can write subject, that poetry recitation competition, and then leaving a line you can write the salutation, that is dear sir. Then start writing the body part, and at first you have to write, you have to give all the information that you have given in the notice. So our school is organizing poetry recitation competition on Children's Day for classes 8 to 10 on 14th November 2021 from 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. at Down Hall St. Mary's School. Then you have to make request. So that word request should come here, otherwise you will lose marks. So we request you to send 2 senior teachers from your school to judge the competition. So we will wait for your positive reply or response. Thanking you, yours faithfully, Nitesh Rawal and literary in charge. Okay, I hope notice and email are very clear to you, and now you practice notice and email given in practice paper number 3 and 4. Okay, so goodbye, see you in the next video.